Let's dive into the topic of total advertising cost of sales, also known as TACoS. TACoS is a very useful metric because it measures how effective your advertising really is. And it's a better metric than just advertising cost of sales, or ACoS, because TACoS actually measures the money spent on ads relative to your total sales and revenue, providing a much more complete and accurate picture of your overall advertising performance and effectiveness in driving sales across all channels.
To the total sales figures, which basically means the total revenue that comes in. It includes sales that come from organic sources, plus the sales generated directly through your advertising campaigns. So TACoS takes into account your total sales revenue, both organic and paid, for a more comprehensive view of your business performance.
To calculate TACoS, divide your total ad spend by total sales revenue, which includes both organic sales and sales from your ad campaigns. This metric gives you a full picture of all sales, not just those from ads, helping you see how well your advertising is working and understand your overall sales performance. That gives you a full picture of total sales. For example, if you spend $500 on ads and your total sales revenue is $5,000, then your TACoS, which stands for total advertising cost of sales, is 10%. This means that for every dollar you make in sales, you are spending 10 cents on advertising. Understanding this ratio helps you see how efficiently your ad spend is converting into sales revenue.
A low TACoS means your ads are delivering a high return on investment since less of your revenue is spent on advertising costs. This indicates that your ad spend is efficient and your campaigns are really working well for your business. On the other hand, a high TACoS means your ad costs are eating more into your profits, which could be a sign that you might need to tweak or optimize your ad strategy to improve overall efficiency. TACoS is a very valuable metric for tracking how your advertising evolves over time. By consistently monitoring TACoS over a long period, you can gain insights into the effectiveness of your marketing efforts and make informed decisions to adjust your strategy accordingly. This long-term tracking helps you see patterns and trends that might not be obvious at first, allowing you to refine your advertising approach and ultimately maximize your returns while keeping costs under control.
Watch how your TACoS changes over time, and you may notice a clear trend. This helps you understand where your advertising is headed and make smarter decisions to improve your strategy.
Amazon doesn't calculate your TACoS directly. Instead, you have to figure it out on your own by gathering all the relevant data and running the numbers yourself. The ideal TACoS should be under 10% to keep your ads efficient and profitable.
But of course, it varies quite a bit depending on the product category and other factors. Still, it's really important that you start tracking your TACoS consistently and carefully, because this metric gives you a clearer picture of your overall advertising performance and sales efficiency.
You calculate it every other week so you can keep a steady eye on your progress and understand which direction your sales are heading. The lower the number, the better, because it means your ads are performing more effectively. The better your ads perform, the more efficient your marketing spend becomes, resulting in a lower TACoS. So even if you see some fluctuations, it's important to consistently track these numbers to make informed decisions and improve your overall advertising strategy.
If your advertising cost of sales, commonly known as ACoS, seems a bit high when you're reviewing the numbers, but at the same time, you're still noticing a good amount of organic sales because your visibility on Amazon has increased quite significantly, then it might actually indicate that your overall advertising strategy is working in your favor, even if it doesn't look perfect on paper at first glance.
For example, you're actually doing very well. And you can see that reflected in your TACoS number, which actually gives you a broader perspective compared to just looking at ACoS alone. TACoS might even be a more honest and better way to track your total sales, understand the bigger picture of your business performance, and spot important trends like where your sales are headed over time and how well your ads are actually working together with your organic sales. It helps you take control of your marketing efforts holistically. So, start using and calculating TACoS regularly for your product to gain better insights. Also, don't forget to check out my previous video where I cover advertising cost of sales, or ACoS, in detail. It's a great complement to understanding TACoS fully. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next one.